I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I found the most fun balloons from the brand Lightsfever. This is a Bobo balloon. It is clear, it is made out of rubber, very durable. You can inflate them up to 22 inches. And you can get really creative with how you use them. We decided to tie strings at different lengths with a weight on the bottom and go ahead and throw them in the pool. We had them inflated at a party store with helium so that they could float, and they look like bubbles coming out of the pool, which is so much fun. These balloons are made out of rubber, so they are very durable. They stayed inflated with helium for days, and they did really well out in the hot sun. And you also have a really cool option of adding things inside of the clear balloons. So if you're in the market for some clear balloons, you want something fun, durable, and round, you're gonna want to check out these balloons from Lightsfever. They are so cute, you're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.